Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if this baby actually flies.
Yeah, I'm so fresh like the morning.
Hello, slightly different video today. Basically, one of my tiny whoop motors completely burnt out because a couple of screws fell out and the propeller was actually grinding against the frame. But to make matters worse, I actually stole the tiny screws from my Ray-Bans to try and fix the problem. So now I have no tiny drone and no sunglasses. But that's about to change because I got these new motors and they came with tiny screws. Let's start by retrieving the Ray-Ban screws. I'll fix the sunnies properly later, but right now we have a drone to save. I'm going to be using this flux here. Apparently it makes soldering easier and I could use all the help I can get because I'm shit at soldering. I've got 3 microscopic wires to solder here.
Fast forward, BMO.
I think I've flipping done it. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if this baby actually flies.
Yeah, I'm so fresh like the morning. Mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, they in G-Shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati. But I'm shining so bright, so bright. Don't come and try to share some of this light, no. Give me a beat and I control it like a maestro. Ladies on a mission, they be trying to get me wiped up. Shawty, wait a minute, can't tell if I like ya. Gotta make sure you know how to shake it like a bartender. Team with me and they all winners. And you know we ballin' all winter, all summer. Jewelry around my neck is lightning, but I'm all thunder. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it. Bring a friend and come along. Don't be taking too long. The vibe's too strong. If you don't know how to move, then we moving on. Ain't no way rhythmic feet up in this place. If you can't catch the feeling, then get out the way. I've been reeling and fish from the lake. They keep saying I'm down to earth, but I'm really out of space. All these women aliens, super foreign, so exotic. Hop in the Mercedes Benz, and I got them crushing like ice pouring above. It's overflowing on us. You drop it and pick it up. I think I'm falling in love, but shawty, this isn't what you probably thinking it was. It's a vibe out, cooling it for the weekend and such. You gon' find out once you come on and bring me that up. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it.
Okay.
I've lost the laughter now.
What? It was poetic.
Just all like rolled up now.
Oh.
Okay. Baby, it's not gonna fit like the other shoulders down here.
What?
It's not. It can't. Unless you can move your arm.
I can move my arm.
I mean,
You put my hood up.
I don't know if it's unless your hand can go this way. Daddy, this is the best we can do.
Well, I gotta do ghost stuff. Right, haunt you.
Okay.
Things like this.
Okay.
Woo!
like that.
Are you gonna edit it so that you're like invisible for like a diagonal?
That's all I can do.
Well, I think it would fit me, like someone shorter.
Alright. Get in.
No, absolutely not. Well, you know what? I hope it didn't cost that much money.